was like, yeah, the Red Cross, you know, submerged and might be able to get it back. But I said, you guys
Yeah, I hope so.
back up. Like hurricane.
Roll you out.
The ocean to Nadia, but she kept wanting to bring the baby to the beach.
Oh.
I didn't expect it to be this much. Yeah, we just finished like a year ago. Don't make a mess. Wow, Joe.
Some stuff is dry though.
Inside?
We were both inside.
So I was inside and I was having like a breakdown because that's all I got. And then we opened the front door to get out. He got out and I couldn't close the door. So I don't want, if I didn't close the door, it would have been all the way up. So I was just,
At that point,
I had an idea. I was like, I closed the door from the inside. He helped me and we just broke off the window.
Did you escape that way?
Yeah, we got out, yeah.
We hopped through the window. We hopped through that window and then we went upstairs. And then from that point, we were like, we have to keep going. It's worse. And after that, when we got out to move the cars and stuff, it was at least up to our shoulders. It just got worse after that. Yeah, we just finished renovating it and moved back in not even a year ago. And everything's brand new. It's gone, so. It's terrible. Yeah, like once we shut the doors, we both realized like the bars were off, so we can easily escape from there. If we try to open the doors again, it was just gonna get worse. I don't think it got to here yet, but that's when we were like, there's no bars back here, so that's when we just decided let's just hop out. We hopped out from there and then tried to get through from that point. I think once I couldn't get back, I was talking to them. The water was above the fence.
As long as you have no gas. It's a clear line.
She's inside. Like still going on.
Oh god.
So you can see the water was above my head.
Okay.